Yo abusiafo ene adofonom mema obibia akwaba ede about too much GHS so Ghana wahala jumedina ebre asose muniaba epies kapa enenso mede ebesomo se de daneda ye no ba nsem bi sei ba ye gi adwa epensempensem mu ekire ne ne fare bai efri na wososo wetimi ehunu nia ekoso ewo eye oman Ghana eni wiase afa na nyinam ene de ye sorry ye chese ya anti asem de wenye owuo de nenso so eye areho asempa eyiem se de eye covid-19 eba ya Emma enyoma nyina ye beja enyuma binum ho kwampo na womo enko adwuma biemu ebinum nso so no eyiyi womo enkrofo binum edi ehwese se enyoma etumpon a womo asato ensa ede afre wom na ene de ya meka se the multimedia group of Ghana womo sake enkrofo bebre ede free womo adwuma yeku ahodo no emu na ene de nipa ono nso na woka sa adwuma yeku ho anase wonu womo edi adwuma ne ho aka yenua ba ana Ghanaian actress na ashoko ene de wono nso ne ho aka ede free nkrofo ayeyi wo madi ede free adwuma nim no na ono de na wo yobi a wone Joy FM for ene edi enkita ho na ene de nteye ababeto edwa wono am ede ababeto edwa akache wiase afa na nyina sese womo terminate no contractor na womo ene no ewo na eno na chese yenua bayi wode ekokoto ni page so say I have a good news and a bad news everyone with immediate effect as of yesterday my own former employers multimedia group terminated my appointment. That's the bad news. Now for the good news, such situation only give my God the opportunity to show up. It is not an easy time to be out of a regular and steady income. We are not in normal times. But hey, I would like us to use this opportunity to encourage everyone who has lost their job or income during these difficult times not to lose hope. Hope is an amazing thing that gives us the ability to stand and trust God in such difficult circumstances. Don't lose hope. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future. Stay tuned for some more news soon. We ene and sema yenua bana ashokom wode ekokoto ni page so o efa ni bad news aba no wie no eno de sa nkranhye sem de Bible quotation so eta eto ede kan wo hu ne se yi na di ede afra adwuma yi mu no onim se we are not in a normal time because enka normal time adwuma ekoso wo bia edi nkita ho ekọ eba anka nya de se ye be yi obi adi ede afra adwuma se edi ye anase se ye be yi obi adi besaka obi afra adwuma ma ebe na ye nipa ne ye ni so ana ne ban bi but because of say we are not in the normal times na times are ye wom no difficult yare ene de aba ema adwuma enkoso business proposals ne yi nyina entimi enkoso wano no na che se ho be hia say inyumako ahodo no so no womo ebete womo employees no eso se na ebe ye ombetimi atua womo betimi atua womo ekan to hu ne se senkenye yare we na aba nko wonjin di se sa ohawe ebi ebetimi aba se ye be yi wadi afri adwuma wa wonim se disika ebra wa disika gu bottom se sika na ma wotimi nya bi edididi etimi nya bi de tontade ehye nanso so enya aba awie no hu ne se ekwan bi sei esia na Nyankopon na epese wo bie sa kwan foforo bi ede eba into wodi ehye womo so ahwere womo adwuma onam sa akonya odo so wa lose ne job na so onam sa akonya no so ede hye womo so ahwere womo adwuma no shedding se womo enso so enkonko womanum emomu hu ne se that's the end because emra ye womu no enye emrepa na emrepa no edura Nyankopon so no wo be hye ne ho anemu ede ama womo na wode nsem we ekotu edwa no ne namfofo media personalities ne womo kan ho celebrities no womo so ekoye ni page so ene no ekokotwetwe enkomo omo hye ne den womo mani nkranhyesem womo bona baso e wona dwuma pa waye although say ye na that doesn't mean say womo erefi no womo so e de womo ensem etu edwana abusua mo man kokenkan ebi Yinia Belamundi Edia wode eba wasi you shall overcome. God is in control. And the emoji love eba yinia Gloria Safon so eba your same. Now your good news is something that is promised and assured already by our God in heaven. So it is no news. Now I am waiting for the reflection of that good news, and I know it is going to blow our mind. He has promised and he will never fail. Stay strong and rather thank God for the elevation coming soon. We love you, Superwoman. Ono so edia wode ema yenua na ashoko no hu ne sem Nyankopon kwan bia wode ebre na ye kwan bie kase into wonto ne bo na wontena ase na wonim se sa kwan bie ebeye kase amagana fo nyina womo eni age ebeye obia enwanwa yenua Yvonne enso edode eba was say God got you no the love emoji so Amanda so edode eba was say greater days ahead, my love. Never give up. Manifest. And so Edo de Eba was saying, Ego B, God is with you. Don't worry. Your blessing is coming double. Yenya Miss Debbie, Edo de Eba was saying, you are already at the better place. You are an inspirational, and I am positive. You know. And also Ediano Yenya Cypress, Edo de Eba or same. We have a lot to do. God got us with this year. Never give up. Trust in God. It is possible. God is in control. And so God will show up for you, says keep hope alive. Jackie and so the children of God always look at the brighter side. It is well. It has been well since Calvary. This is God taking you to the next bigger level. No so dear and no akosia eba was say he still got the whole world in his hand and nothing is too small for him to do. Don't worry, keep calm, you will see your greater blessing ahead. Irene and so eba or see greater doors are yet to open. Never give up. Flora and so or say thank you for the courage you share. Here is one of my favorite verse. Psalm 126 verse 6. He that goeth forth the whippet beareth precious seed, shall doubtless come again with rejoicing, bringing his sheaves with him. Rejoice, for the road is better open. Or no so edia wode eba ye enono amwabin enso edode eba o see you will be just fine. Just keep hope in God. It is well now. Or no so edia enono into wutie comment na aba bebre na nuanom celebrities ene na dofo a wo mo looking up onto her ene nyuma pa wo ye ne modern pa wo ye no ode sa na bra ho sem we ebetu dwa no we o sadi nkranhye sem eto to ma wo mo se odo se ye na dide fra adwuma nkwa no enya de se ma ne gidi ana se ni faith a wo ewo nyame mu ni ehihim wode etu edwa no wo mo so support no ebinom so man no ye hyeden se emane mu na wo kan ho se epunu bi mu eto no na epunu foforo ebie enti Nyankopon nenim nia wo ye ede efa ehon ebusuafo aha ene di dwumadie no ebesie enti wo fie asa how yi enam COVID-19 ti ama wo adwuma ahwew ama yeyi wadi ede afra adwuma ana ama se wo adwuma mu na so enka pay na e wose ye de ma sika bia e wose nka bia wonsa ka wonsa entimi nka no ye nuaba no e de nkrahye sem e de ama obia se wo se we are not in good times na bibia na esi no so Nyankopon enim de ye e na wo ye e de ema ne ma enti ema waba mu ebu wonso wo fie efuto nsamben e na wo betimi e de ama ye nuaba ye na nkrahye semben e na wo betimi e de ahye na ebra wo no so na dwuma ahye no a wo fie wo hyehye afoforo enkran no so wo betimi de wo de atu edwa e wo tumaji GH your comment section ebiemu so share video no FM obusuafo all the social media platform say your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter na adwentwe bia wo no oditu edwa emrepem no ye bekenkan ede amamo aha enam di dwumedi ni besi dasane ye besane hye
fitiani asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe